this guide, I'm gonna show you guys how to fix Disney Plus keeps crashing. Let's get started. First thing you wanna do is give a first restart to your device. Then check your internet connection. You can switch between Wi-Fi and cellular data. Likewise, enable airplane mode for a few seconds and disable it. Also, you can give a first restart to your router. With these, your problem might be fixed. Next, clear cache for the app. Launch settings, go to general, go to iPhone storage. Now from the list of apps, find Disney Plus and launch it. Now click on Offload App and confirm it. Then click on Reinstall App. If you're using Android device, press and hold on the Disney Plus app, click on App Info, go to Storage, click on Clear Cache and confirm it. Next thing you want to do is check for app update. Navigate to App Store or Play Store. Search for the app Disney Plus. Once app appears, if you see the option update, click on it. If Disney Plus crashes on a smart TV, update your TV's firmware. Make sure the TV has enough free storage. Power cycle the TV by unplugging it for about 60 seconds. Lastly, if these solutions didn't work out for you, completely delete Disney Plus app from your device and reinstall it. Press and hold on the Disney Plus app, select the option Remove App, click on Delete App, click on Delete. Then navigate to App Store or Play Store, search for the app Disney Plus and install it. Sometimes the problem is on Disney's side rather than yours, so you can go ahead and check Disney Plus server status. If there are any outages, you will need to wait until the problem will be restored from the end. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.